Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited today, and today's edition is going to be very special. Why is that? Because this is one of the editions that I want to use to celebrate our hitting over 100 subscribers on Pips Cassa YouTube channel. As you already know, we're all about the Forex education. We're all about helping traders trade the Forex market profitably. As such, we're so excited that today we've been able to hit over 100 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing, and if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, you want to do so. And if you have friends who are trading and are still struggling to make a profit, or those who are even just looking to begin trading, you want to share a link to this video and let them come into getting the necessary education that'll help them trade profitably. My name once again is Gloria Dewey. I'm the Pips Grabbing Chick and the creator of a 17-part video course titled Trade to Profit. Now, this video course was designed to help both those who are new to the Forex market and those who are struggling to make a profit do so profitably, or those who are struggling to trade to profit do so profitably. All right, now in this video it's going to be like a two-part video so that I'm able to cover the two groups of traders that I always target in my videos. The first part will be those traders who are brand new, the rookies, the beginners, those who just want to come into the industry. This video will be for them. And then the next part would be for those who are already trading. I'm going to pretty much like give you a bonus just to appreciate you for subscribing to this channel. Now, this bonus would be to show you a basic strategy or a basic rule or a basic way to trade the harmonic pattern. As you can see on my screen, this is a combination of the harmonic pattern and the head and shoulder. So I'm going to be teaching you like a basic way, a basic strategy to trading the harmonic pattern. So let's get right to it. How do you begin trading the Forex market? That's part one. As a beginner, how can you start trading? Now, one thing you shouldn't do is to fund your account. The reason why a lot of people come into the market and the next thing you know they're funding their accounts is because they heard about trading by virtue of the brokers. Now, these brokers do free trainings, right? They go about doing a lot of adverts and telling you that just come in and you learn how to trade for free. You don't need to pay a dime. But here is a caveat to that. For you to learn anything worthwhile, you should be ready to invest in your education. I mean, let's face it. Of all the things you've learned how to do today, did you pay for them? The answer is mostly yes. You went to school, you paid your school fees. You went to college, of course, you paid for it. And whatever course you may have purchased online, for it to be worthwhile or meaningful, you'll agree with me that you spent or committed a little or small amounts of funds to getting it started. So even if you go into these brokers to learn how to trade and it's seemingly free, the truth is it's not free. Why? Because for you to gain access to their learning, to their education, to their master classes, you need to fund your account. Now, why are they trying to make you fund your account? Because they know that psychologically, when you begin to learn about the basic rules of trading the Forex market, you want to take it to your demo account and try it out. Now, when you take it to your demo account to try it out, you make a profit. Now, the thought that comes to your head is, oh wow, I wish this was a live account. I wish this was real money. I wish I can just withdraw this money, and then you do it 1 or 2 times on demo account. Remember, you're still new, you're still learning the ropes. What you're just seeing is the good side, and then you begin to see those good sides on demo, and then you tell yourself, you know what, I have money in my live account. Why don't I just try it on my live account? Just take what I've been doing on demo, take it to the live account and see if it goes. After all, I'm making money on demo. I can make money on live account too. And then they go to the live account that they funded and they begin to trade. Sometimes they make a profit or two, and then before you know, boom, they blow the account. So the last thing you want to do as a beginner is to fund your account. The first thing you should look to do as a beginner is to invest in your education. It could be investing time, investing data, purchasing an online course, or whatever it is you need to begin with. It should be learning to trade, because this is a market, like I said in most of my videos, this is a market that is played by the big banks, the big monies. These people don't just come in here to joke. They don't come in here just because they like to see color green and blue. They come in here to make money. So when they come in here to make money, they look for those people who are similarly naive, who are just trading by the books or trading by what everybody says. They look for these people and they take their money. So you don't want to be those kind of people. You don't want to come into the market with the excitement, because it's psychological. I mean, look at it. It's just one of the psychologies of doing business, or psychologies of trading. It is just simply getting you excited. So the goal is to get you excited to want to click that buy and sell button, even if you're still learning, even if you know little or nothing about trading. You want to get you excited enough to to spend that money, to trade that money, just so you lose it. That's the reason why they call newbies donators. They don't really call them traders, they call them donators, because when they come in to donate, right? Some brokers will tell you, oh, you know what, as a beginner, you don't want to start with $100. No, so that in case anything happens, you'll be able to, to hold your positions. You might look to start with $500, or you could start with $1,000. They tell you to begin with big money because they know you lose it. They know you donate it. I like to be frank in most of my videos, because these things happened to me when I started. As a beginner, I lost a lot of money in the hope, in the name of listening to the person that was assigned to you as your manager and tells you fund this amount, and you go fund it because you're still new. You don't know better. So they tell you to fund these huge amount of money when you don't even know what to do. You don't even know anything. All you know how to do is just to click buy and sell. I mean, maybe if you stop loss or take profit, that's all you know how to do. And then maybe you've learned a thing or two about moving averages and all that. And then they tell you, yeah, go ahead, fund your account. You could fund $500, you could fund $1,000. Hello, what are you funding? What are you doing? Do you know the rules? Have you learned the ropes yet? So the last thing you should do is fund. So rule one, or step one, for you to begin to trade, step one, invest in your education. Now, when you invest in your education, that is, you say you purchase a course, invest time in studying the course. It doesn't matter how long. It could be 2 weeks, it could be a month, it could be 3 months, it could be 6 months. So invest money, number one. Invest time, number two. So if you've invested money in the education, you want to invest time in learning the education that you've purchased. So after investing in your education, then you can now begin to look to opening a demo account, because now you're now seeing some of the things that you are anticipating, or some of the analysis that you may have been doing based on what you've learned. You're now beginning to see them play out. You're now beginning to see that, okay, at this point market tends to buy, or at this point market tends to sell. Because the whole reason, somebody asked me, how does this forex business work? The forex business is simply like every other business. You come in here to buy or sell with the aim to make a profit. So if you're coming in here to buy and sell with the aim to make a profit, then you want to do it strategically, just like your business. All right, you don't just open a business just because, or because you're bored. You do that with the aim to make a profit. So whatever it is you're doing in your business, you do it such that that thing leads to you making profit. So the same thing also in the forex market is a business of buying and selling, and the reason you're buying and selling is to what? Make a profit. That's just it. So before you begin to do that, you want to learn the ropes. You want to learn the ropes. Whatever business you want to invest in, be it e-commerce, be it agriculture, whatever it is, you will have to learn it. You don't just wake up and say, oh, I had a dream. It was revealed to me that I should start e-commerce, or I should start agricultural business, or I should start this, and then you just go start it. No, you have to learn it. You have to learn how to do it. Otherwise, you just lose money. The same thing here also. You need to learn how to trade. Some people come to me, they don't want to learn. That's the reason why they go about looking for, give me signals, do you do signals, give me signals, I want signals, do you trade for people? Because they don't want to learn. So if you don't want to learn, it's hard to say that this market is not for you, because this is a market that is designed for those who are desirous of learning to trade, learning how money works, learning how to play with money. The market is for them. So if you don't want to learn, you don't have any business in this market. And if you do go find somebody that gives you signals or trades for you and all that, and you lose your money, please just take it by heart, take it in good faith, because it's your fault. That's what you wanted. So if you really are interested in learning, you want to follow these rules. Step one, or rule one, invest in your education. Step two, invest time also in your education. And step three, create a demo account first. Don't go fund your live account. Leave your money in your bank. Don't put it in yet, because when you do, the tendency is that you will trade it. I mean, think about it. If you're hungry, right, and you go into a supermarket, you tend to overbuy. It's just simple like that. You tend to overbuy because you're buying based off the hunger in you, and then you just buy stuff that you don't necessarily need, right? Because it looks beautiful on the rack, and then you buy it. Same thing also here. If you have the money in your live account and you do an analysis or two and you use profit, there is tendency to want to go and put that money into your live account and just click buy, click sell, and let's see how it goes. No, don't fund yet until you're strategically profitable on your demo. Like, you can actually know why you're profiting. Some people come to me and say, oh, I've been trading, I've traded demo and I'm making money on demo. And then I ask them, what did you do? How did you make money? What was the thing you were doing in your demo account that made you make money? They don't know. You just say, well, I just see some size and I know that this side is like the market is ready to buy. That's not a strategy. You don't know why you're making money. It's just something based off, you enter, you didn't enter. That's just what happened. You did not have any strategy that made you make money. So you cannot equate it. You cannot evaluate it. You cannot, what's the word? You cannot really say this was what I did that made me money. So you're not ready to trade yet. So when you begin to make money in demo, when you begin to know what you did that made you money, that's how you begin to create a plan. You begin to create a strategy. You begin to create something around your trading. All right, that's how you can now begin to say, or have the confidence to say, I am ready to go live, because now you can scale it. Now you can explain it. Now you know what could have happened if your trade hit a stop loss. Now you know what could have happened if you lose a particular trade. You know the things that can happen. You can explain it because it's clear to you. You know it. So that's the reason why, as a beginner, you want to make sure that you follow these steps. Most people will tell you fund first. Don't fund first. Learn first. That's the goal. Like they always say, first you learn, and then you remove the L. You earn. So you learn first. You cannot tilt the scale. You cannot flip the switch. You just have to follow it like that. That's the process. You learn and then you earn. Or if you want to jump the gun, you just find yourself keep losing, and then when you've lost a lot, you now come and say, oh, I've lost. I've been doing this. I've lost a lot. Because you failed to follow the step. You were putting the cart before the horse, so to speak. So you always want to make sure that you learn and then you earn, because that is the basic step that will help you trade to profit. Like I said, this is a market of no graduation. You will keep learning, but as often as you trade, you will keep learning. Even after learning the basics of market structure, learning all there is to chart analysis, you will keep learning from the market, because the market will always teach you. So that's what we're going to talk about for today. Remember, this video is for beginners, those who are looking to trade. So if you have anyone that is desirous of starting to trade, or if you have anyone that's looking to come into the Forex market, do share this video with them. Let them follow the steps of trading. Step number 1, invest in your education. Step number 2, invest time in your education. Step number 3, fund a demo, create a demo account and begin to build a strategy around all the things you've learned about trading. And step number 4, you begin to fund your live account and learn as you go in the Forex market. So go check out other videos I did on risk and money management so that you can become profitable. Remember, the goal is not just to trade. The goal is to trade to profit. I'm Gloria Adoye once again. You can reach out to me by sending an email to winningwithforex 2.0 or follow us on any of our socials. At Instagram, we're at Trades to Profit, and on Twitter, we're at Chick Pips. So follow us on any of these socials, and let's help you take you from the very basics of zero trading to the advanced level of profitable trading. Have a good day. Bye-bye.